Hello everyone, my name is Rahana and today I, along with Ruby, who is 2 months old today, we thought we'll demonstrate how the Marsupi sling is just so straightforward and how easy it is to use. So I've got my Marsupi open. To be honest, this is the Marsupi I wear day in and day out, so it's a little bit tired looking. But this is how small the pack is when it comes brand new, and as you can see, it's very neatly wrapped up, and it comes in its own little carrier bag. So quite handy to carry with us as well. So it's not just handy to wear, but also very, very portable. I'll do another video of some of the features I absolutely love about this sling, but this quick video is about how to put it on, and I will talk through it, how to put it on, but I will also do other videos with smaller sections of troubleshooting, etc. So this one, how to put it on. So you take the Marsupi out of the bag, and the first thing you're looking for is that label. Now that's a really good guide, because the label is on the waist, and that's the waistband, and those two bands you see standing down there are for the shoulder pads. So the way I wear it is to kind of have the waistband somewhere where it's comfortable for you to have your baby's seat. So this is going to be your baby's seat, and bring yourself right in, so my feet are nice and firm on the ground. My body weight is very equally spread on both the feet, so I'm kind of not getting my hips out. I'm not just standing however I want to stand. I'm actually making a conscious effort to lift the whole torso up nice and strong, and then bring the band where I want my baby to sit. Take the strap across, and you have the Velcro side on the inside. Once again, draw yourself very tall. So instead of sucking your belly in, draw yourself tall, and that way you'll get your torso support a lot more sturdy. And then just put the band on. Now, I'd recommend that you put the band on really tight, not so tight that you can't breathe, but not loose where you can put fingers into the band. So it's very, very snug. And this is the panel, which doesn't change. So the sizes of the Marsupi can change, and those sizes are just for the belt size increase or decrease, but the panel size stays the same. Then we're going to take the baby. So Ruby, would you like to join me? And so what we'll do is we'll have baby on the best shoulder. I always say carry your baby on your best shoulder. And then we're just going to make sure that that panel slides through between her 2 feet. And we take the weight. You okay, darling? We take the weight off the baby in the panel, so you're very, very sure that you've have the weight. And then, all right, darling, 2 minutes, and you'll be in your sling. And then we put both the shoulders off, and I'll do another video of when you don't put both the shoulders onto your, both the straps onto your shoulders at the same time, what happens. When you put both the straps, you take your hand across the other side, bring the strap, stick it wherever you find space at the moment. Do the same, but instead of drawing the strap in, a really good tip here is to draw the strap down. This way you'll pull your sling in, baby, closer to you, nice and comfortable. And then also the advantage of not drawing the strap in is you won't have the strap on your neck. You'll still have it where it belongs, really, on the shoulder. So draw the strap down, and you are done. There are some really handy features in this sling. She absolutely loves it. This is the Breeze version of the Marsupi. So it's made out of linen and cotton. So it's lighter. It's lighter in the summertime. And there are some really other good features of this. There's a little flap, and it's got buttons. So if your baby's fast asleep, you can give them a bit of a headrest. if they like to see around, then you let the flap fall down. This little loop here might be handy for either a muslin or a dummy string, or just even a bit for your key just to dangle, but it's a really nice handy loop there. And as you can see that she is nicely sitting with her spine sort of comfortable. It doesn't have to be really straight, a gentle C curve, just comfortable spine there. She feels comfortable in there, and her knees are both parallel. They have lifted very gently up to her pelvis, so they follow a M curve, and she's very comfortable in there, and her head is close enough to kiss. So as you can see, it is super easy, quick to wear it. I love this sling for exercise. So yeah, and if you have any comments or questions about this sling, just put it down in the place where you're watching the video, or just send us an email, and we'll talk about any issues that you might want to address. So thank you for watching this videos, and do look at the other Marsupi videos that we've done. Thank you.